make a bird looking down. Let's begin by tracing our cup. Okay. Now, when it's looking down, it's going to be very similar to the one looking up, just with everything kind of now on the bottom of the bird. So let's start with that beak. I'm going to make a very small one this time. And then my eyes are going to be at the bottom of the circle. And then like the one looking up, the pupil now needs to be at the bottom of this eye shape. That little black dot needs to be way at the bottom to then show that it's looking downwards. And then once again, I can add some eyebrows, eyelashes, any of that's fine. Now, for the wings, we're going to kind of flip them. Now, what I mean by that is if I am doing that wing against the body, instead of starting with a rainbow line, I'm now starting with a little smiley face line, and then I'm going to follow this shape upwards, like so. Now, for the one kind of with the wings coming out, we're going to pretend that it's almost like it's flying downwards to the ground. So again, I'm going to start with a line kind of down on this way. It'll be the opposite of before. And then I'll do that bumpy, wavy line on top like this to represent the feathers. Now, what's kind of fun is you could do the feet a couple different ways. You could have them on the ground like this, as if it's like standing on the ground looking for a worm. Or you could have them coming up at the top here, like it's flying down towards the ground to get something. If we did that, our feet would come up like this. And then our tail would also want to be in this part too. So that would be like my birds flying down towards the ground. Now this is going to look a little silly because now it's going to have two sets of legs, but if it was on the ground, my feet would come down like this instead, and then my tail would still go up on top. So you have a couple extra choices with the one looking down. And then once again, if you were to add like a hat or something or a crazy hairdo, you would do it kind of in this area here. So have fun and see what you can do with the bird looking down.